upgrade the free PC. Before I do, let's see if that's even worth doing, because this thing is so bad. See, when I got this PC, it didn't have a GPU or any storage. So I added this SATA SSD and the RX 550, because that's the only GPU I had. Okay, but what did it have? Let's see. It had the AMD Phenom 2 X4 820, which is a CPU from 2009. So I kind of doubt that this motherboard even supports any good CPUs. To figure that out, we need to see what motherboard this has, which for some reason is kind of difficult. Apparently the chipset supports all of these CPUs, but there's only a few that we actually care about. So this is what it has right now, the 820, which is a 95-watt CPU and 2.8 gigahertz. I think it might be upgradable to a 6-core CPU, the 1065T. And it's $90? Okay, I could get a better PC for that price. Basically, the only thing I could do is upgrade the RAM or the GPU, but this power supply also kind of sucks, so maybe I would have to upgrade that too. At that point, I might as well find a better PC on eBay, which I might actually do right now.